As you can see, there are many advantages associated with carb cycling. Nevertheless, it isn't a diet regime for everyone. You need to be dedicated and committed to your goals to see it through. Carb cycling is ideal for anyone who knows what they want to achieve from their diet. There are a few things you need to do before you get started, though. You'll need to know your maintenance calorie intake. This will be based on your activity level, gender, age, and height. When you have this figure, you need to pair it with your desired outcome. It's then relatively simple to work out the right plan for you. Whether you want to lose weight, gain muscle, or both, carb cycling could be ideal for you. If you've recently lost weight and want to maintain it, it's also useful for you. You simply need to select the right carb cycling plan to suit your schedule. Align your high and low carb days with your activity level and physique goals. You can then use the information provided in this guide to choose suitable foods for you. Remember that you need to choose the right dietary intake every day when you're carb cycling. You can't just indulge in sugary and starchy foods when you feel like it. While you can have an occasional treat, you mainly need to focus on complex carbs. Making sure to keep your protein and fat intake level constant every day of the week is also important. With the right approach, you could find that carb cycling is the weight loss solution you've been looking for.